Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add stickers to your video on the Videoleap application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and after that tap on the stickers button down below, which is the fourth option. Here you can find a bunch of options. So there is the Jiffy and the Videoleap sections, and if you want to you can also use the search bar to narrow down your search. So type in a keyword and then find a sticker or a GIF according to that keyword, and then if you want to add it to your video, tap on the relevant one. And here you should hold your finger on the on this sticker and then adjust it and drag it to the relevant place. So that's how you can add these stickers to your video and GIFs as well. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.